Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you easily connect Instagram to Facebook page. If you are looking to expand your social media presence, connecting these to platforms is a great way to reach a wider audience, and in just a few simple steps, you can easily share your Instagram posts on your Facebook page, making it easier for your followers to see your content. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then right here top at your profile picture. Then hit at menu icon and select settings on settings. Top at creator and then select connect to Facebook page. Now you can select between two different options. Create Facebook page or connect existing one. I have already created the page, so I can hit add connect existing page right here, and then I can select the page that I want to connect to my Instagram account. Or I can hit and create a new Facebook page to create new one. So I'm just gonna select existing one and then hit at done. That's it. I have just successfully connected my Instagram account and Facebook page now. You can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend check out my Instagram and Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.